problem. It looks like they're giving us a triangle, and what they want us to do is they want us to draw the image of that triangle under a dilation with a center x and a scale factor of 3. So let's get started. What that means is they basically want us to draw another triangle on this picture here, on this page here, and they want it to be 3 times as big as our pre-image. So let's get started. Our first step is going to be to grab a ruler, so you'll need a ruler to do this. And what you want to do is you want to make a line going right from our center through A, and we just want to make it go out there for a ways. And what we're going to do to make sure that our new triangle is exactly 3 times as big is we're going to start by measuring how long it is from here to here. It looks to me like it's about 3.5 centimeters. And I always recommend using centimeters when doing this. So we want to make it 3 times as big. So we're going to need to take that 3.5 and times it by 3. To me that seems like that's going to be 10.5. You're always welcome to use your calculator if you need or want to double check. I think that's a good idea. So once we know that we want to make our new triangle going out 10.5 centimeters, this is a really important step here. We want to get, when we put the ruler back on, we want 0 to be right back on it. But this time we're going to measure out 10.5 centimeters. So we're going to go all the way out to here. And if point A is right here, A prime moves right there. We moved out 10.5 centimeters. Once you can do that, you're about there, because you just have to repeat that for point C and point B. So I'm going to do that now, and if you're working at home, you can do the same. So I draw the line through, then I measure it. It's like 4.3 centimeters? Okay, so I need to triple that because there's a scale factor of 3, so 4.3 times 3, 9, 4 times 3 is 12, so it's going to be 12.9 centimeters. That's how far I'm going to go out this time. Again, I'm putting 0 on the ruler right at the center. It just so happens to be called X this time. Okay, so I'm going to go at 12.9 centimeters, like right there, and I'm going to call that, since that's C, I'm going to call that C prime. We've got to do one more. Draw the line through, measure, so it's like 3.4 centimeters. So we've got to triple it. 3.4 times 3. There's a 1. 10.2. And you're welcome to use a calculator if you need to or want to. So I'm going to go at 10.2 centimeters. And I will call that, since that's B, that's our new B, we call it B prime. Next we're going to connect those dots and take a look at our triangle. And we did it. They wanted us to draw the image of this triangle. That is the image, and it is exactly 3 times as big, so it has a scale factor of 3. You'll notice it says to determine whether the transformation is an enlargement, reduction, or congruence. That's just them asking, hey, when we did this, did our picture get bigger, smaller, or stay the same? And obviously it got larger, so it is an enlargement. And we knew that was going to happen because anytime you have a scale factor of a number that is bigger than 1, it's going to get bigger. So obviously we're not surprised that it was an enlargement. If I was grading this on a test, I would want to see you using a ruler to connect those to make it look nice. Make sure you're labeling it with your primes, and don't forget to circle the correct thing up there. Thanks for following along. Good luck.